Hello, this is Lloyd from the Airgun Lab. There are a lot of videos on YouTube about making train horns, so I thought I'd give one a try. Two-inch PVC here. PVC couplings here. Quick disconnect for air. This is a tailpiece for a bathroom sink basin. This one has adjustable pitch. Goes from about a middle C sharp to a E. And we'll try that in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and take it apart and show you how it works. Here we are outside with it. A little pancake compressor with a hose. We're only running at about 50 psi. Got a little air nozzle using to control it. Hooked up with a quick disconnect. Looking out into the woods in the field. So I'm going to try a couple things here. I'm going to set the camera up. I do have an app on my phone that I downloaded for checking frequency of instruments. You adjust the pitch just by changing the length of it. There we go, we're at a middle C sharp, not an E. Here it is, all disassembled, which is the front end, the bell. This is a tailpiece from a bathroom sink. Cut the end off of it that goes up into the sink. This piece, this other black piece, is the threaded part that clamps onto the bottom of the sink. So it makes this piece adjustable here. So you can screw it in and out, because that's really what makes the sound. I've got the diaphragm here, which is really just the bottom of a tuna fish can. The air comes in through this fitting, gets trapped in this space in here. The diaphragm pops open, lets a little bit of air, the pressure drops, this thing vibrates at frequency, and the sound goes out the front end. This right here is just two 3-inch PVC coupling adapters glued together. They were shortened and glued together. The way this goes together, the front end of the bell, the exit for the air, screws in on one side. Then on this other side, I've got another piece of plastic lid that I cut out with some tin snips. Goes in as a gasket. Then the diaphragm goes in. Then I've got a spacer here made out of just a sawed-off piece of PVC. And I split it. This way you can get it down in here, down and beyond the threads. So it'll leave a space in there behind the diaphragm. Then I've got another, just a piece of plastic that I had laying around. Fits in here. I put a spring in here to back this up. I don't think it was really necessary. Didn't seem to make much difference. But this plug right here fits in here to clamp everything together. I put a red line on the tuna fish can lid here, so that the bottom, so that I can take and shift it around as I'm tightening it up to get it all centered. And then you can see when this piece threads in here, that this fits right against that. And when it's in there, you screw this in and out to control the pressure on the diaphragm to make it so it makes a sound for you. And then the bell goes out on the front end, and the length of that determines the pitch. Well, that's one of the many things that determines the pitch of it. But really, anyway, it's not good for much, but it's fun. This is Lloyd from the Airgun Lab.